Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Now we have to Article 71, matters relating to or connected with the election of a president or vice president. Clause 1, all doubts and disputes arising out of or in connection with the election of a president or vice president shall be inquired into and decided by the Supreme Court, whose decision shall be final. Clause 2, if the election of a person as president or vice president is declared void by the Supreme Court, acts done by him in the exercise and performance of the powers and duties of the offices of President or Vice President, as the case may be, on or before the date of the decision of the Supreme Court, shall not be invalidated by reason of that declaration. Clause 3. Subject to the provisions of this Constitution, Parliament may by law regulate any matter relating to or connected with the election of a President or Vice President. Clause 4. The election of a person as president or vice president shall not be called in question on the ground of the existence of any vacancy for whatever reason among the members of the electoral college electing him. About this article, the Supreme Court under this article has exclusive authority to decide all the matters related to the election of the president and vice president. And if the Supreme Court declares any election of the president or the vice president void, then on or before the date of this decision, the act done by him in the exercise of the powers and duties of his office shall remain valid. The Parliament has power to make laws for the regulation of election of president and vice president, but it does not take away the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court to decide any matter. The Parliament has enacted the Presidential and Presidential Election Act 1952 to regulate the matters relating to or connected with elections to the offices of President and Vice President of India. Order 41 of Supreme Court, Order 46 of Supreme Court Rules 2013 talks about the procedure to be followed while making any petition regarding the dispute of president's or vice president's election in this act. Rule 15 of this order states that such petition filed in the Supreme Court shall be posted before a bench of 5 judges for preliminary hearing and orders. In NB Khare versus Election Commission, AIR 1957, the Supreme Court rejected the challenge to election on the ground of vacancy of the members of the Electoral College. Thank you.